You can download this 3D YouTube like and subscribe animation from my selfie page. The page link is in the description below. Here in the price section, put 0 and select add to cart. Here put your email and select continue. After that, you will receive an email with download link. Now let me show you how to use these animations in Premiere Pro. Open Premiere Pro. Create a new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Let's import animations. Also, import an image or video. Place it on the timeline. I am scaling it down. Let's place the animation clip on the timeline. You can change the animation position from the effects control panel. You can also scale from here. That's it. Thanks for watching.